Hello, Dejit. How you doing, bro?
Hey, I'm good. Hey, Mark.
Hi there.
So, Dejit, how is it going with the Shadow Fort?
Oh, things are actually really good. Like, that's what I wanted to discuss after the client updates today regarding Fusaka. I
Okay,
actually got Spammer to run. Like, now we are running a Gnosis mainnet shadow fork with Spammer and all of the other tools. It's it's
awesome.
it's like, yeah, stable for quite a while, for like 2 days, I think.
That's a lot on Shadow Fort time.
Yep. Let's just wait for a couple more minutes and we'll start. Hmm. I guess we should start. I see one person from Nethermind and one from Eragon. We are missing someone from Geth, which is unfortunate. I mean, I want to discuss Fusaka stuff today, but let's start with Shutter. And yeah, Yusra.
Hi everyone. So on our end, we've been coordinating with Alexander from the Aragon team to re-register validators in Shadow, so that we can continue our tests there. And we are also letting a continuous test run in mainnet to check if we see any issues there, and planning on running some additional stress tests on both networks, Shadow and mainnet.
Hi, yeah, I just have a question for you. Are you looking for us to provide you with small validators? I just got a message from Alexander and I don't quite understand what he's asking for.
Yeah, so basically, right now we're running these tests around against 20 validator indices, and we wanted before, like, we ask for like a wider adoption, we wanted to broaden this set. So on one hand, like target more validators, and also have them perhaps in different locations, just see what we get. Some, yeah. So I don't know what you on your end. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can do it. It just the moment we have how many, like 20 shutter validators, but they each have a stake of 50 GNO, so potentially we could split each of those into 20 validators, and then we'll have the 1000.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
And we'll have to. You want us to distribute them geographically, right?
If that's possible, yeah, that would be great.
Right. Yeah. I think we can do it something like next week or the week after. How urgently do you need it?
Yeah, no, I mean, if you can do it by next week or the week afterwards, that would be great.
All right,
Thank you.
I'll check with Alexander. Yes.
Thanks.
Nice.
Yeah.
Chetna is. By the way, you for Shutter, is that all?
Yeah. Yep. Thank you. Just going to say that.
Okay. So Chetna is on a holiday. So Marcos, anything up on testing?
Not from my side. Maybe Dimitro may have something, but he's not here. So no days. Yeah, unless the ones that you have with Chetna.
Okay, perfect. Okay, moving on to client updates. Nethermind?
No updates really, just focused on Amsterdam.
Yeah, there is one next one update that is that we are testing currently on 37.0, sorry, and trying to fix the bugs that we find before doing a release there. So yeah, that's our focus on our end.
Perfect. Aragon?
So last week we had an offsite, and then yesterday and the day before yesterday I was ill. I think there was a message that you started 3 devnets on which Aragon missed the transition slot. So like, is it still an issue?
Okay, yeah, all that. So regrettably, I don't have logs. I can try to recreate, but there were 3 shadow forks on which, sorry, devnets. Aragon only missed the one the Fusaka transition slot. Like the validator attached to Aragon was given that slot, but afterwards it was always fine. So I'm not sure if that's a coincidence, which it possibly can be, or something in Aragon. So I just wanted you guys to have a look at that. Like, can you look at it internally, or do you need logs from my side?
Yeah, it will be much easier with logs.
Okay, I'll try getting them.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Apart from that, no updates on the client side, right?
So I was going to say, I guess the other update from us is I think we have, Andrew, anyway, we've released 3.4.
No, we have not yet released.
Oh, not yet.
I'm preparing the release, but we are regenerating. I think we've regenerated snapshots for Gnosis, but not for Ethereum mainnet yet. So we're waiting for the Ethereum mainnet releases, snapshots to be regenerated, which will take maybe a week.
Yeah, sorry. So I jumped the gun a bit. I guess that the update is we're in the process of releasing 3.4, which will have updated snapshots in it.
3.4. Okay. And by the way, when you mentioned snapshot for Gnosis, you meant both Shadow and GC, right?
Yes. And 3.4 will have some nice performance optimizations.
Okay.
And RPC improvements and a bunch of other improvements and fixes.
Sounds great. Okay, so that's it for everyone, right? Okay. Forget, I think Guillaume is not there. Not present. And for it, I'm in the process of upgrading it to the next upstream, which is, I was also doing it last week. Oh, okay. Which is 1.11.1 upgrade pending. Perfect. Okay. So now the big discussion about Fusaka. We were able to run a Gnosis chain, like Gnosis mainnet shadow fork, and it has been going for the last 2 days. We also enabled Spamor, which is the Ethereum, the ETH Pandops transaction spamming tool, which covers EVM, blobs, and all of that. And till now, we don't see a fork. So all the ELs match, all the CLs match. So we are confident about Fusaka right now. And I wanted to discuss the timelines regarding that. For Chiado, since we are the ones controlling the validators there, we were thinking of this Tuesday, as in, if memory serves me right, that should be 10th. Yes. So 10th March, if that is doable, which would mean we have to carve out releases by Friday. this Friday. Will that be possible for you guys? Because it is only a config change, and I'll also send you guys the Genesis, the config that I used for the shadow fork, just so you can just like have a look if everything is fine, everything is there. But does that sound doable? Exact times I have to talk, I have to like see the epochs and stuff, but just want to confirm with you guys. If anyone from the client teams can, like Nethermind and anyone can speak.
I think if it's just a config change, we can just release it from our previous release. Marcos, any issues with that?
Sorry, could you repeat? Which was the issue?
We need to do a release by Friday with a config change, so we can just release from our previous stable version.
Yes, we need to do it from the previous one. This one is not yet ready.
Yeah. So, but it's not a problem for us.
Okay, Mark, would you handle to create the PR for that new config so I can prepare the release for that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and I think for Aragon it's the same. We can just do, I presume we'll do 3.3 point whatever the latest release is with just a config change in it, which is doable by Friday.
Perfect. I'll also send you the images that I used for your clients on the shadow fork, like if that will be easier.
Yeah, no, that would be good because we can just confirm that we're doing the right thing.
Yep. That will of course be possible. Get I'll have to ask on chat. But yes, so finally Fusaka is happening. And the reason for doing it on Tuesday is so that we can talk about if anything went wrong on the next Codex call on Wednesday. So yes, that's all. If anyone has anything to add regarding Fusaka, it would be good. If not, I'll send you the configs that I used, the versions that I used, everything on chat, and also the exact timestamp we'll be discussing. We'll send on chat. Yes. So that's it for this week. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.